Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am solving the CodeChef problem from the June Cook-Off Challenge, and the problem is chef and demonetization, and the problem code is CHF MOT 18. So, in a country called Safland, there was a lot of monetary fraud. So, Safu, the head of the country, decided to choose new denomination of the local currency. All even valued coins up to an integer n should exist. After a few days, a citizen complained that there was no way to create an odd value. So, Safu decided that he should also introduce coin with value 1. Formally, you are given an integer n for v equal to 1 and each even positive integer v less than n or equal to n coin with value v exists. You are also given an integer s to handle transaction quickly. Find the minimum number of coins needed to pay a price s. So, input format, the first line of the input contains a single integer t denoting the number of test cases, and the every line after t lines contains two variables s and n, and we have to return the minimum number of coins such that we can change the s with the available set of coins. And the constants are t can go 10 to the power 4, s and n from 1 to 10 to the power 9 and 2 to 10 to the power 9, and n is always even. So, let us understand the problem. So, here s is the amount we need to change and n is the maximum coins of even value we can form. So, if n is this, then we can form like 1 is there for odd case, then 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on till the n, and n is given even. So, till the n we can have these many sets of n coins, and we need to form the s, change the s such that we in the minimum coin. So, how we will solve it? So, what if we check if s is greater than n, then we will definitely first pick this coin, n coin. Then we will pick the first n coin and then divide how many times. We will keep one variable min coins and get s divided by n if it is greater than n, and change s to s mod n, because only after that this will left this much. So, let us say in example here it is given. So, here s is 31 and n is 4. So, in this example we have s 31 and n is 4. So, if n is 4, then we will have 3 coins 1, 2 and 4 only. Now, for getting 31 s in the minimum coin change, first we will pick the 4 coins, coin with denomination 4. So, we will divide 31 by 4, it will give us 7. So far now we have min coin at least 7 from the denomination 4. Now, we will reduce s to s mod n, which is 31 mod 7 equals to 3. Now, we will also change the n and reduce, like, so that we will cap the coin size, like coin, we know the coin which denomination which is less than or equal to n. So, this will be how we will change. So, now s is 3. So, we can take till the previous integer number, previous integer of s, which will be 2. So, how we will calculate? Just divide s by 2 and then multiply. So, this will give us integral part and multiplied it by 2. So, we will get 311 into 2. So, n will become 2 now. So, when s is 3 and n is 2, so again we choose one coin of 2. So, now min coin will be plus 1 here. So, 7 or 8. Now, s will become 1. Once s will become 1, we have only one choice to choose the coin with denomination 1. So, this will count one more. So, total 9 minimum coins, in 9 coins we can change 31 with the n 4. So, here is the answer is also 9. So, this is very simple problem. So, let us implement the code. So, here I written down the code as I explained. So, first we will create a scanner variable and scan the number of test cases t, and then loop over t case until t is greater than 0, and scan two variable s and n, and then create a variable which will hold the minimum coins initialized with 0, and here we will loop the while s is greater than 1, then count the minimum coin which is s y n, and then update the s with the s modulo n and change the n with this s y 2 into 2. So, this will be always the nearest even number to the s, and in the end we will check if s is 1, then add the 1 more into the coin, and if s is not 0 already, then it simply min coin what we calculated using this for while loop. So, this is a solution. So, let us submit our code. Yes. So, it is accepted. The algorithm we use here is a greedy algorithm. So, that is it. So, try it yourself and check my video. If you like, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.